CARSJADE, your go-to place for car reviews, comparisons, and future-focused breakdowns of the hottest vehicles hitting the market. Today, we're putting two German heavyweights head-to-head, the 2027 BMW iX3 and the 2027 Mercedes GLC. Both are shaping up to be among the most talked-about premium SUVs of 2027, and while they may share a lot in terms of luxury DNA, the way they go about delivering family comfort, performance, and efficiency is very different. If you're shopping for a family SUV that blends cutting-edge tech with real-world usability, this is the battle you've been waiting for. So let's break it all down: exterior, interior, engine, pricing, and everyday family practicality. The BMW iX3 represents BMW's growing push into electrification, taking its popular mid-size SUV formula and giving it a fully electric twist. On the other hand, the Mercedes GLC, which remains one of Mercedes-Benz's best-selling SUVs, is evolving into a lineup with both hybrid and electric flavors. Both brands are promising greater fuel savings, or energy savings, in the case of the iX3, bold styling, and tech-loaded cabins that fit the needs of families heading into 2027. But which one is better suited for your driveway? Let's start with what the eye sees first: the exterior. BMW has taken a sleeker, more minimalist approach with the new iX3. The iconic kidney grille remains, but now it's largely closed off since the EV doesn't need the same airflow as a combustion engine. This gives the SUV a cleaner, futuristic vibe, while still retaining enough BMW DNA to stand out. The iX3 will ride on larger wheels, with aerodynamic elements sculpted into the bodywork to maximize efficiency. The LED light signatures are sharper than ever, with a distinct X motif visible in the taillights. Overall, the iX3 feels like a family SUV that wants to be sporty without being flashy. Mercedes is leaning heavily into its sensual purity design philosophy, and the 2027 GLC wears it well. Expect flowing lines, a bolder front grille with intricate mesh, and slimmer LED headlights that look more aggressive than previous models. The GLC's proportions are spot-on for a mid-size luxury SUV: long wheelbase, muscular haunches, and an elegant rear profile. It has a slightly more commanding road presence compared to the iX3, which may appeal to buyers who want their SUV to look unmistakably premium. Verdict: the BMW iX3 is sleeker and futuristic, while the Mercedes GLC oozes elegance and presence. If you like clean EV-inspired styling, the iX3 wins. If you prefer timeless luxury lines, the GLC has the edge. Step inside the iX3 and you'll be greeted by BMW's signature curved digital display, combining the instrument cluster and infotainment into one sweeping screen. The interface runs on BMW's iDrive 9 system, offering AI-driven personalization, natural voice recognition, and over-the-air updates. The iX3 emphasizes driver engagement, with ergonomically angled controls and high-quality sustainable materials. Vegan leather options, recycled trims, and customizable ambient lighting. Families will appreciate the flat floor in the rear, thanks to the EV platform, which makes it more comfortable for 3 passengers in the back. Cargo space is expected to improve slightly, with around 500 to 550 liters of storage behind the second row, expanding significantly with seats folded. Mercedes interiors have been setting benchmarks, and the 2027 GLC takes things further. Expect a taller vertical infotainment screen powered by MBUX, paired with a fully digital driver's display. The system supports augmented reality navigation, biometric driver profiles, and seamless smartphone integration. Where the GLC shines is in material quality and comfort. Plush seating, softer touchpoints, and new multi-contour massage seats elevate long drives. Mercedes will also push sustainability, offering eco-friendly trims without sacrificing luxury. Families will love the slightly larger cargo hold, close to 600 liters, clever underfloor storage solutions, and a roomier second row compared to the iX3. Verdict: the BMW iX3 is tech-focused and minimalist, while the Mercedes GLC feels like a luxury lounge. Tech-savvy buyers might lean BMW. Comfort seekers will love Mercedes. The iX3 will be a fully electric SUV, expected to pack a single or dual motor setup depending on trim. Entry models should deliver around 300 horsepower, while higher trims may approach 400 horsepower. Range estimates hover around 320 to 350 miles per charge, with ultra-fast charging capabilities, 10 to 80% in under 30 minutes. Families who road trip often will appreciate the efficiency, and BMW's emphasis on sporty handling means the iX3 won't just be efficient, it'll also be fun to drive. The GLC will continue offering plug-in hybrid variants alongside a potential full EQ electric version. Expect the PHEV to deliver around 350 to 400 horsepower combined, with 40 to 60 miles of electric-only driving. The EQ GLC, all-electric, should match the 9.3 in range, hitting around 320 miles. Mercedes' strength lies in ride comfort and refinement. The GLC may not feel as sharp as the BMW in corners, but it will deliver a smoother, quieter, more luxurious ride, which many families will prioritize. Verdict: the BMW iX3 favors electric performance and handling, while the Mercedes GLC offers powertrain flexibility and comfort. Both SUVs are slated for a late 2026 or early 2027 release. BMW iX3 2027 price range: starting around $58,000, climbing to $70,000 plus for higher trims. Mercedes GLC 2027 price range: starting slightly higher at around $60,000, with high-spec PHEV or EQ trims pushing $75,000 plus. Both will sit in the premium mid-size SUV bracket, with pricing close enough that your choice will depend more on personal taste and priorities rather than budget differences. Daily commutes and city driving: BMW iX3 wins for pure EV efficiency and low running costs. Road trips and comfort: Mercedes GLC wins with better cargo space and a softer ride. Tech-savvy buyers: BMW's iDrive system is slightly more intuitive, but Mercedes' MBUX AR navigation is unbeatable. Budget-conscious buyers: both are premium, but the iX3 might edge ahead with lower running costs. So, which SUV should you wait for in 2027? Choose the BMW iX3 if you want a sleek, all-electric SUV with sporty handling, cutting-edge tech, and strong efficiency. Perfect for younger families or tech enthusiasts looking to embrace the EV future. Choose the Mercedes GLC if you prefer a more luxurious, versatile SUV with hybrid flexibility, roomier cargo space, and unmatched ride comfort. Great for families who value comfort on long road trips. Either way, both SUVs represent the future of premium mid-size family SUVs in 2027. And that wraps up today's head-to-head. 2027 BMW iX3 versus 2027 Mercedes GLC. Which one do you think fits your lifestyle better? The sporty electric BMW or the luxurious, versatile Mercedes? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear what you think. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to hit like, tap the bell, and subscribe to stay tuned for more in-depth car reviews right here on CARSJADE. Until next time, drive safe and keep your passion for cars alive.